Imagine waking up to snowflakes falling gently outside your apartment window in New York. Sounds magical, right? Cut to heaters not working, your roommates eating frozen paratha from 3 weeks ago, and you're googling how to survive homesickness in winter. Welcome to Talks Without a Map, where GPS भी confuse हो जाए, but हमारी conversations always find a way. I'm Ridhima.
And I'm Rohan, and today we are diving into one of India's favorite daydreams living abroad. For studies, for work, for love, or sometimes just to run away from beta शर्मा जी के लड़के को देखो, that kind of energy.
And let's not pretend the idea of settling abroad has more drama than a daily soap. The excitement, the culture shock, the loneliness, the independence, it's all a heady mix of masala, maple syrup, or microwave meals.
Microwave meals, I can so relate to that. So, let's start from the first chapter, the Sapna.
Huh.
Okay, living abroad looks super cool on Instagram. Do you agree?
Right.
Like snow angels, Eiffel Tower selfies, क्या कुछ सब कुछ मतलब new beginnings, who's this? But behind that aesthetic filter is a lot of unfiltered reality.
Like washing your own clothes, making your own dal, and crying while cutting your onions. Because nobody warned you adulting would come without a buy or a buy.
But come on, there has to be some perks, right? I mean, the good side, the good stuff of it. Let's be fair. There are some shiny perks like freedom, because you can literally eat something at 2 a.m. and nobody's going to judge you when you'll be in your
लेकिन
pajamas.
2 बजे कुछ खुला रहता है वहाँ पे.
नहीं नहीं घर पे यार.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ.
Then there is what I love the most is no judgment zone. You can wear what you want, live how you want with whoever you want. Most
Yes.
importantly, efficient systems होते हैं like buses and buses on time, not to mention trains on time. Police is very helpful and bang on completely. And traffic, civilized it is. I mean, my favorite topic is honking. No, I
Yeah.
keep on talking about it. Yeah.
And also space, right? Not just physical but emotional.
Hmm.
कोई भी लोग क्या कहेंगे मीटर कॉन्स्टेंटली बजिंग नहीं होता है वहाँ पे. अब्रॉड डू यू इज द वाइब. इन इंडिया डू यू, लेकिन लोग क्या कहेंगे इट्स द डिफॉल्ट वाइब, राइट?
Yeah. But now we'll drop the filters, like superficial things, जो भी है.
Yeah.
We can just talk about different experiences or about people who live. So because what we are discussing right now majorly is ठीक है, abroad is fine, but living abroad. So whether you have gone for work, whether you have gone for studies, for love, I think I mentioned that also
Yeah.
earlier. So
Yeah.
do you think it's more of a trending stuff today or what is it?
But it was always, right?
I don't know what
Because
20
in-
years back.
See, our time going abroad was a big thing, but not anymore, I guess.
That's what. So it's
Yeah.
majorly because of a trend.
ट्रेंड और वो एक ऐसा माइंडसेट होता है लोगों का कि बाहर जाके पैसा बहुत मिलता है. ओके
अच्छा.
देन
All countries? I've heard only Gulf countries do that.
इवन लाइक अरे अमेरिका जा रहा है तो डॉलर्स में कमाएगा.
Yeah, but
Singapore
खर्चा भी
जा-
डॉलर्स में ही होता है
हाँ
वहाँ.
लेकिन वो उतना नहीं सोचते थे ना.
हाँ, yeah.
या एंड नाउ ऑफ कोर्स द इन्फ्लेशन इज एवरीवेयर,
Yeah.
सो वन हैज टू बेयर.
Yeah. But it's today, I think, now that we're talking about work, there's a lot of job insecurity abroad, is what I hear from
Yeah,
people.
yeah,
Like
it
my
is.
friend was telling me that one thing, when you're, as long as you're in India, the one thing is लटकती तलवार नहीं होती सिर पे.
लटकती होगी तो भी लाइक यू कैन फाइंड योर
Ways out. You have a home here
Yeah.
and resources over here.
वहाँ पे अगर सिटीजनशिप भी
हाँ,
दूसरे कंट्री
yeah.
के देन ऑफ कोर्स दैट
Immigrants के लिए बहुत अलग हो जाता है.
Yeah.
Like everything. And as an immigrant, I feel like you need to be aware and alert all the time.
यस.
Because you are not the first class citizen. तो यहाँ पे हम जितना बिंदास रह सकते हैं, अगर कुछ काम ना भी हो तो भी, तो that you can't do out there, because it all boils down to visa and कभी भी आपको हटा सकना. See what Trump is doing, for
Yeah,
example.
yeah,
That
yeah,
way.
yeah.
But before we go for study and other things, other topics pertaining to abroad, let's talk about work. You think anyone from your acquaintance or friends who love working abroad? लाइक वो जो काम कर रहे हैं ना वो उनका पैशन है और वो पैशन वहीं पे है.
See that they like the culture there. कि वहाँ पे वो ओवर टाइम भी होता है, सो दे गेट पेड फॉर
Paid,
इट.
yeah.
देन आते जाते वक्त इतना ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलता है, लाइक
Traffic system or what do you
ट्रैफिक सिस्टम.
हाँ.
देन उनका जो बाकी की भी डिसिप्लिन है,
बहुत
सो
ज़्यादा
दैट,
है.
या, सो ऑल दैट दे लव.
Yeah.
But the thing is कि whatever they are earning, major chunk is
This
going in
spending or rent and stuff, yeah.
and stuff.
Okay.
So that's the thing.
वो तो
But
है.
work culture wise, I think they love that.
Yeah, that's true. But also another thing which I've observed here also in India of late is, see, you can have a stressful work culture, but still you can maintain some kind of humane conditions. Is that the right word? Like, ऐसा नहीं कि your work is everything in your life.
Right. They take care of.
There has to be some recreational facility. There has to be something to take care of your employees or कुछ
Crash
भी
for the kids.
कुछ जो भी हो. तो I think nowadays in India we are
Yeah,
having
yeah.
it these
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
ऐसे नहीं कि पहले होता था कि बाहर ही ये सब चीजें हैं and all of
My
that.
son
so,
was working for Viacom 18.
हाँ.
So there they had this, they had crash for the kids. Then for recreational activities also, employer would take care of the employees.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So they had, and even during sometimes, like ऐसे भी होता था कि during lunch hours they would call belly dancers.
What?
Yeah. So these kind of things also.
ये तो abroad जैसे ही हो गया.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah. But also with regards to work that we're talking about, many of my friends, cousins who have settled abroad or who are working, they tell me that they won't mind working in India. Rather, they would love working
Yeah.
here. What they're passionate about and their ambitions are, they're quite specific to that country. Especially
Like?
people who are in research. और मतलब कुछ markets ऐसे होते हैं ना जो एशिया में नहीं होते. उनके लिए you have to go to Europe, you have to go to America, you have to go to Australia. Certain occupations I'm talking about, like research, just like I mentioned. So they say that we would love to come back here, but then we are not getting that scope over here as much as we'll get there for the kind of capacity they have as an individual. So it's nothing to do with the country. It's all to do with their ambition and everything. So that's why also they stay abroad.
Okay.
हाँ तो they
Fair.
yeah, that's one thing. Same goes with studies, I feel like, because although India has some fabulous universities around our country, across our country, but कुछ specific masters program हो, like my friend who stays in New Jersey, he went to in New Jersey to study because what he wanted to master in was there in New Jersey.
अच्छा.
बाकी US में भी वो नहीं था. So it also depends on what you want to study. Fine arts हो जाए या जो भी हो. So I think that's also one the reason people go abroad, and then like you said, they like the culture there, and वो ना क्या हो जाता है ना, I feel like it moreover becomes like a routine kind of a thing. मतलब okay, मेरी जिंदगी यही है अभी.
That mundane
हाँ
lifestyle.
कि 5 साल हो गए I am living in this country.
Yeah.
As I came as a student, and then of course I had taken a loan, so I had to repay it. So I started working over here. Yeah, opportunities मिलती गई, तो I started working here, and now it's become daily life. And I don't have to think about कि अरे मुझे वापस इंडिया जाना है. या यही, it's just become life for them now. That's also one thing I feel is happening these days.
One of my friends, he stays in Canada, and while I think he left this country.
ठंडी सर्दी
नहीं
Canada.
वो तो है ही, लेकिन I think he went there in early 2000. Okay, and उसके साथ उसके 2 friends भी गए थे with the families. Okay,
to
so they were
settle.
fortunate
To settle,
yeah,
okay.
to settle.
हाँ.
But he said कि for 2-3 years it was all good, like they would come and meet often, and because
होता था.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी he said कि nobody has that time.
हाँ. Yeah,
Like,
that's true.
So that loneliness, it hits them. And now, see, they are all 50 plus.
हाँ.
Okay, so in that period, like that loneliness can hit you hard.
But I feel like ये time ना होना and loneliness is prevalent over here also to an extent.
Yeah.
It's just that this is our country, so we know a lot of people around us. Whether it is relatives, it is friends, या watchman हो, जो भी हो, there is a connection that we can make in our own
Yeah.
country, in your motherland.
Yeah. That's
And I'm saying, like for me, for you, it's Mumbai. Tomorrow, if I move to Bangalore, I don't know if I'll be able to enjoy that same kind of freedom and
yeah.
feeling at home.
Like while coming here, I was thinking life in this area, like where you are staying.
Yeah,
Okay, and life
in
on,
your
in my area, it's
yeah,
different,
it's
right?
different.
In the same,
Yeah,
yeah, in same city,
yeah.
but different pockets, different life.
You know, it's so funny. Like, one term which people commonly use who stay abroad or whatever
Huh.
is like, I'm going to India. They say, "Arey bhai, India is a big country.
Yeah.
You should say I'm going to Mumbai. I'm going to Pune. I'm going to. You should be specific."
हाँ.
When
वैसे
they say,
यूएस जाते टाइम
हाँ, so but see, at least see if I'm telling, say, my grandmother, so she might not know certain cities or
Yeah.
whatever places in US. So I might tell her कि Aji, I'm going to America. हाँ, so then she'll understand America मतलब New York or whatever. But वहाँ से when I'm talking to an Indian, हाँ मैं इंडिया आ रहा हूँ. अरे what India? You're coming to Mumbai, no? You're not going to. You're not like going to Srinagar or some other place. So
Yeah.
I think you should be specific about these things, and but I think it just inevitably happens that when
Yeah.
you're in a foreign country, then you अचानक से become an Indian,
Yeah.
and not just कि मैं मुंबई से हूँ and मैं दिल्ली से हूँ and पंजाब से हूँ and that's it.
Tell me, what's the longest time you have stayed abroad?
Quite recently when I went to US and Peru, US I was there for 17 days.
Okay.
See, I'm saying US because I'd been to various places, and then I'd been to Peru
Okay.
for my brother's wedding, so that was 8 days, so 25 to 27 days including travel.
So, what are the things that you loved and what you didn't like?
What I loved is the civic sense. In any country, I feel like there is the best civic sense you can ever find as compared to our country. I'm sure most of us will agree on this.
Yeah.
Whether it is giving space to the other person, whether it is thinking about the other person, whatever. I think people are much calmer, and although I won't say that there is no crime rate or violence and stuff like that, but people are very.
There's no violence?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that there is
Okay,
no
okay,
violence or
okay,
no
okay.
crime rates,
Huh.
but what I like in these countries, nobody holds grudges. Emotional grudges. इसने मुझे ये बोला, अब मैं ये दिखाता हूँ. In India, people get very personal
Yeah.
with everything.
Yeah.
You know, वहाँ पे people are काम से काम रखना, which I really love.
Yeah.
They're giving everyone that space, and people are not as anxious as Indians are.
Anxious in what?
In everything, whether it is driving cars, whether it is crossing the roads, whether it is दुकान में कुछ लेना है, bill भरना है. In everything, especially in Mumbai, you will see people are hyper anxious, and there is a lot of hyper energy for no reason, absolutely. कि कोई तो आके कुछ बोलेगा, anything for that matter. And वहाँ पे everybody is a little calmer. Although there is a lot of traffic, there is a lot of there are crowds, many people at one time and everything, but everything is quite organized.
Okay.
That's what I loved about it. Cleanliness, not to mention, less pollution, but you don't feel like you're home.
Yeah,
That's the most
true.
important thing.
That's true.
You feel like अरे चलो इंडिया में ये अच्छा नहीं है, pollution है जो भी, but वो अपना लगने लगता है.
अपनापन. हाँ.
वो गंदी चीजें भी अपनी लगने लग जाती हैं when you are out.
हाँ.
You feel like, okay, this is all nice, this is super nice, this and that, but then this is not home,
Yeah. That's true.
you know.
That's true.
And the fact that out there nobody really cares about you, that's the other side.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे we have someone,
Hmm.
even if you don't have a lot of people, you have someone over here.
Yes. That's true.
And somebody was telling me that when you're a first class citizen of a country, there's a different kind of freedom you have. When you're out, there is constantly going to be that worry and stress that someday somebody will kick me out from here.
Yeah.
So my mom says, you know, it's always good to stay in your motherland, just go around places for
Yeah.
work and for travel, and then enjoy that, and you know, that's how it
Yeah.
is. So
And every country, I believe, has pros and cons.
of course,
Yeah.
as a tourist, I feel like we see it differently,
Yeah.
but when you start staying there, it's going to be a different phenomenon altogether. But speaking of which I mentioned in the start, like some people even go for love. Do you know someone who shifted abroad purely for love?
Yes, I have heard of some.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, they were all deshbhakts. Otherwise,
देशभक्त ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, but they are flexible and they don't mind. हाँ, देशभक्त होके वहाँ पे गया ऐसा, at least I haven't heard of.
you know, it reminds me of Reshma Maushi, Reshma Parulekar, who stays in Melbourne,
Yeah.
Australia. I feel like she hasn't she's completely she hasn't lost the roots of
Yeah.
being an Indian
Yeah.
or being Maharashtrian.
Yeah.
So I think she still feels like, you know, if I was here, then I could have done this and I could have done that.
Huh.
And some kind, I just get those kind
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
feeling, and,
And she
it's so
is
creditable. She's
so-
doing that out there as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
you
yeah.
know?
Very creditable. And I think people, most of the times, it's, I think that money that
Hmm.
attracts. I mean, in our times, money was the main factor. Like, you know, going abroad. और फिर वहाँ की lifestyle. ऐसे that rosy picture everyone had.
Yeah.
But then reality hits later.
It's later, and I think over there, because everything is very expensive, you also have to be quite calculative. B, everybody has to work.
Yeah.
मतलब घर का तो करना ही पड़ता है सब कुछ, but you have to work every day. I've seen that. Because otherwise you can't afford a life out there. That's also one thing. Whether and many a times there are no public transport systems also in some parts of some countries. So you have to have a car.
And public
So-
transport, like when I had gone to New Zealand, what I experienced, public transport was even more expensive sometimes.
Oh yeah,
Uber,
yeah. I remember.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Uber. And speaking of public transport or basically Uber or something like that, India is one of the cheapest countries to
Yeah.
travel.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
I mean, an Uber in USA would cost in Indian rupees 5,000, and over here it won't be even 250
To-
rupees.
yes.
That's one huge difference. Like I feel, and same goes with rent and overhead expenses. So you feel like, अरे कुछ अलग देश में जाके हम पैसे भर रहे रेंट के लिए, इससे अच्छा अपना घर
अपना
है,
घर, हाँ.
तो वहाँ पे तो रेंट नहीं भरना पड़ना है. And not to mention Indian food.
Oh,
We
tell me
start
about
missing Indian food. And chalo America to we will find some because there are lots of groceries that sell Indian food and restaurants. But I've been to Peru. There is no sign of Indianness. Forget Indian food. My parents had gone to Russia. Absolutely no. I mean, it's not easy to find it out,
Huh.
and it's expensive also at the
Yeah.
same time. So many, I'm sure people who are listening to this and who have experienced this will agree that once you go out, the thing you miss the most is food.
Yeah.
घर का खाना, whether it is normal dal rice or chapati and so many things you start missing
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Once you go abroad.
Right.
So that's also one thing I feel like you start unlearning.
I think you start craving things you took for granted, like rickshaw rides or ghar ka dahi bhi, Sunday gossips, even pan wala.
Yeah,
Jokes.
yeah. Then when you're visiting India
Huh.
in this thing, then अचानक से people want all these things, you know, कि चलो ना पान खाते हैं जाके. And then the people who are staying like उसमें क्या है इतनी बड़ी बात क्या है, you know, why would you want to ride a rickshaw or you know a train? But then they start missing those
Yeah.
small things. I
And
feel.
suddenly they are searching for Indian grocery stores, like it's oxygen for them. Culture becomes a comfort zone, and the longer you stay away, the louder your roots call out to you, right?
yeah. I second that. And weather also, Ridhima.
Yeah.
I mean, हमें पहले लगता है कि wow ठंडी and all of that, but when once you go there, the ठंडी is not the glamorized
Yeah.
ठंडी that we see.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah,
It's bone chilling.
Yeah.
Or other way around if it's too hot,
right.
like Gulf countries or some parts of Australia and
Yeah.
all of that.
It's unbearable.
It's unbearable. I mean, वो भी हो जाता है. But all said and done, I feel like it's a personal choice. I mean, इतनी आबादी है जो हमारी इंडियन आबादी जो बाहर रह रही है इतने सालों से, तो कुछ तो रीज़न होगा why they're still staying there.
हाँ.
And there are people who still aspire and there are ambitions and so I feel like it's a personal choice. And जिसको जहाँ रहना है वो वहाँ रहता है, वो adjust कर लेता है. And no judgments here on anything. I feel whether it is for work, whether it is for study.
And do you think, suppose if they want to come back for good, so do you think that it is going to be very difficult for them to
I don't know. I
adjust
can't
here?
answer. I mean, this question pops up a lot of times, many a times, because I know people who have done that or who are willing to do that. But I don't know how life would be once they are back. Like, especially after a significant amount of years.
Yeah. I have also seen, you know, they get adjusted here, but the kids can't.
Of course.
So some people, they again take that decision to move
Go.
back
Or the
to
kids,
wherever
when they
they're
grow
from.
up, they
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back.
yeah.
But that is understandable because they are born and brought up there.
Yes.
So उनके लिए that is motherland.
Yeah.
No? So how would they feel?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. So here's a thought to chew on. Are we chasing a dream or running from something we already had? Is living abroad really the glow up, or is it glorified hustle with better plumbing?
Let us know. Have you ever thought of packing your bags and flying to another continent? Or are you proudly desi and staying right here for your mom's poha?
DM us, tag us, or send us voice notes with your Videsi stories or Desi regrets.
This was Talks Without a Map. No itinerary, no guarantee, bus full toss conversations from desi hearts to global dreams.
See ya.
Bye bye.